Hi guys, thanks for joining me today as we match the beginning sounds in words. We're going to use foods. If you don't know what some of the pictures are, that's okay. Make sure you're just listening to how the word starts. So, our first word is chocolate. So, pay attention to the beginning sound in chocolate. So, which word starts the same as chocolate? Apples or cheese? Chocolate, apple, chocolate, cheese. Chocolate, apple, chocolate, cheese. I hope you said cheese because cheese and chocolate start with ch. Now we have a picture of tomatoes. Okay, so what starts the same as tomatoes? Shrimp or tortilla? Tomatoes, shrimp, tomatoes, tortilla. Tomato, shrimp, tomato, tortilla. One more time. Tomato, shrimp, tomato, tortilla. I hope you picked the tortilla because tomato and tortilla both start with t. Okay, now we have some raisins. Okay, here we go. Which of these starts the same as raisins? Rice or apricots? Raisins, rice, raisins, apricot. Raisin, rice, raisin, apricot. One more time. Raisin, rice, raisin, apricot. I hope you picked the rice because raisin and rice both start with er. Now our next picture, ooh, this looks delicious. Berries. Berries. So what starts the same as berries? Bread or ice cream? Berries, bread. Berries, ice cream. Berries, bread. Berries, ice cream. One more time. Berries, bread. Berries, ice cream. Did you pick the no? Yes, the bread, because berries and bread both start with b, berries, bread. Okay, now we have some pretzels. So let's do pasta and cupcake. What starts the same as pretzel? Pretzel pasta, pretzel cupcake. Pretzel pasta, pretzel cupcake. One more time. Pretzel pasta, pretzel cupcake. No. Pretzel and pasta both start with pa. Pretzel, pasta, pa. Okay, our next picture is some meat. It's kind of a weird picture. Some meat. Here's another weird picture. I think it's weird, maybe you don't. Mayonnaise and spaghetti. Which word starts the same as meat? Meat, mayonnaise, meat, spaghetti. Meat, mayonnaise, meat, spaghetti. This is the last one. Meat, mayonnaise, meat, spaghetti. Ready? Mayonnaise. Mayonnaise and meat both start with Okay, thank you. See you next time.